Is that good? Yes, is that good? What is it? Are you talking to me? Look. Ah. Oh, lovely. Could you close that blind behind us? Because it's this light is. We can see you better. Oh, that's better. What have you got to say? Yeah, you can see it better now. What's this? What's this? Can you do it?
She can.
Yeah. Really?
Hello, little Miss Stinky Bum.
Right. Daddy, do you think you could turn on the music on her other thing and turn around to it? In fact, can you turn her whole thing round? I've turned it off. It was working. Look. You like that one, don't you? Yes, you do. You love it. Are you yawning? You've just slept for 16 hours. You can't be tired. Yes. Is it making pretty noises? Is it? Oh, she's got that thumb in her mouth again. Get out! No! There's no thumb sucking. I can't see it in the picture. There you go. She's pooing.
Go and stand with her, Taylor.
Okay.
I haven't got many with him in.
Abby.
Good boy. He loves his sister. Oh, she loves you as well, doesn't she?
Oh, that's lovely. Is she scratchy?
Kiss, 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 kiss.
Hey, whoever is watching this video, watch this.
Gentle. 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 Taylor.
That's us smooching. And also, she's a bunny.
Careful my hair, Taylor, because it's got stuff on it. Come
Do
on.
you know she's touching the floor?
I know. Just about.
When is this gonna end?
Oh, she's doing it.
Doing it,
She's
yeah.
back. Get that thumb out of your mouth.
Out.
When is this gonna be over?
Look, she's doing it. She's doing it.
Soon she's going to be going mad. Gentle. Gentle. Is your brother crazy?
Taylor, stop it.
Stop it.
That was her.
Okay. I think that's enough. Look at there, she goes with her thumb again.
Oh,
Get it out! Oh, it's her fingers now. No! We don't need any baby
Is it
fingers
over?
in there. Almost. You want it to be over?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.